And I'm back with another wig install. This video will be featuring the Sensational Bare Lace Unit 9 in the color Red Copper. This is how the unit looks straight out of the box. She comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, an elastic band, adjustable straps. She's a 13x6 wig with pre-plucked and pre-made baby hairs and HD transparent lace. Okay, so this is how the unit looks on me. I had already went ahead and tinted my lace and plucked off camera. You don't have to pluck her. She comes pre-plucked already, but you know I'm extra, so I did it anyways. First things first, I'm going to cut the ear tabs on each side of the lace. Okay, she is big head friendly. I had to go back to adjust her to the smallest setting. I'm going in with the Ghost Bond glue to lay my lace down, and I'm just going to use the end of my eyebrow razor to smoothen the glue back and forth onto my skin. Now I'm going to blow dry on medium heat for about 30 seconds. For a better and secure hold, I applied a thin layer 3 times in total. I wait until the glue gets tacky, then I apply the lace down directly with my fingertips. Then I'm going in with some Got To Be Freeze spray for some extra hold, and you'll see me go in with a blow dryer and comb just so that it can spread throughout evenly. At this point, I'm going to apply my elastic headband, and I'm going to cut the extra lace off so that it doesn't bother my eyes. I'm going in with the blow dryer on the hottest heat setting, cause honey, this lace needs to be giving melt. Removing the elastic band, and I'm just going in with that pressing comb to make sure everything is nice and flat so that it could give a more natural look. Here I am cutting my lace off in a zigzag motion because you want it to give a more natural look. I'm adding a bit more of that Ruby Kisses cream foundation so it can look more seamless and smooth. I'm checking out this color. I'm like, where's the red at? The red is more in the back, like underneath. The stock card looks like the red that's underneath, FYI. I was expecting the whole thing to be red, not this one color, 2 color. They're lucky it's still pretty. I'm pulling out a thin layer of baby hairs so it can give a more natural look.
wake them up cause they been sleeping on the track list. Body so attractive, y'all be giving catfish. Log them off the web and every gangster's giving actress.
You're going to want to use a thinner flat iron, but I'm just going to curl my baby hair so it gives a more fluffy vibe. And I'm also using the Lotta Body hair foam to style them. Here is the final look of this unit before I style her. I wasn't expecting this color, but it is so pretty. The texture on this unit is on the silky side. It's really giving buttery soft. I did get a few snags when I was installing her, but after all that, I could run my fingers right on through. She is a shedder, so keep that in mind. Also, safe up to 400 degrees. It doesn't say the length on this unit, but I don't know. She's giving about 20 inches, and I'm 5'5", so this is how it looks on me. I just want to keep it real and point out why nobody was talking about the tracks on this unit. Like, yeah, she's very beautiful, but the tracks are crazy. Anyways, y'all, this is style 2, so continue watching for style 2.
Pretty girl rock. Do the pretty girl rock. Do your pretty girl rock for me. Do your pretty girl rock. Do your pretty girl rock for me. Do your pretty girl rock for me. Do the pretty girl rock for me. Do the pretty girl rock. Do your pretty girl rock for me. Do your pretty girl rock for me. Do the pretty girl rock for me. Do the pretty girl rock. Do your pretty girl rock for me. Do your pretty girl rock for me. Do the pretty girl rock for me.
Here's the final look for style 2. This style is so darn cute. Lace so thin, you could damn sure see my wig cap. Don't mind that. I do recommend this wig for picture taking, but other than that, the tracks will show, so be mindful of that. She does come in other colors. Some of the colors are balayage ash blonde, balayage dark cherry, chocolate copper, and ginger copper. Okay, my loves, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what other wigs to install. Thank you.
To make you happy, baby.